All right, guys, how you doing? It's Mark Graham here at Grilla Grills. Happy Hump Day. I just want to give you a couple updates first. We got a lot of stuff that's been coming in this week and next week. We got our clocks cleaned with all the orders that we got in the last couple months. So first of all, thank you for all the orders, you guys. The negative side is we did not expect that many orders coming in, so our inventory got beat up a little bit, but it's all coming in. We're going to get these back orders filled ASAP, guys. So thanks for the orders, and most importantly, thanks for your patience. All that being said, the island is the next thing that we're excited about, you guys. This outdoor kitchen that we got here is fully modular. One of the things that we heard last time we launched it is how you guys wanted sections. And for us, we didn't think about that right away, but the comments came in, we listened. We're actually modified our website, changed some things up. So now, if you guys want just this grill section, if you want just the drawer section, or even the larger drawer section, that's all available on our website now. It's still a kit you can buy, which is, there's some advantages to the kit because of the weight and the size of it. We can get more on a skid, so there's definitely some advantages, but you guys wanted individuals, you guys got it, you asked for it, and that's what we always want to do for you guys. Let us know what you guys want, and we try to do it for you if it makes sense. So with that being said, we got a cool video for you to watch, and I'll be back in a second.
Grilla Grills BBQ Island is a modular, ready-to-go cabinet system that transforms your grill into a luxury outdoor kitchen. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel and featuring attractive black granite countertops, Grilla Grills BBQ Island makes food prep easy and lets you host friends and family in style. Our unique modular system fits any size deck or patio. You can start with a single module or add several modules together for a large custom setup. Choose the grill module to build in your silverback. The reinforced base can also be adapted to hold the Grilla, Kong, Chimp, or other 48-inch width grills. Below, take advantage of heavy-duty drawers that can hold up to 80 pounds each, perfect for pellet storage. Both the single and double cabinet modules feature real granite countertops, giving your outdoor space a premium look and providing an extremely stable and scratch-resistant workspace. For storage, the double cabinet module gives you an extra wide top drawer and a deep cabinet below, and you can keep a trash can close by in the single cabinet module's extra tall bottom drawer. When you're ready to build your outdoor kitchen, simply level each module and arrange in your desired layout. It's that easy.
What we wanted to bring to the customers is a way to have something awesome in your backyard without having to find a contractor, build a $5,000 outdoor island that you're going to need to get into design. You have to pick everything out. This thing, you can buy it, put it in your backyard. If you ever have to move, you can take this thing with you as well, which is a great benefit. What you see is some of the basic components. We're looking at a fridge, sink combo. Got some corner pieces we're looking at. It's pretty much endless. And you guys asked for it. We're going to continue to add to this island.
Grilla Grills BBQ Island transforms your backyard into an inviting and functional outdoor kitchen. Built how you want without the hassle or price tag of traditional outdoor kitchens. Premium, modular, and ready to go. Create your own outdoor kitchen today at grillagrills.com.
All right, guys, hope you liked the video. As you can see, the modular kitchen is awesome, and the ability to change this thing and add to it is something that we're really excited about. And the feedback from you guys. One of the first things you guys asked for is a refrigerator sink combination. We're like, that would be pretty cool. Well, let me show you something, guys. We already have our prototype here, and I'm telling you, this thing is already awesome. We're still doing some tweaks to it to get it right, but it's been here running. It looks awesome already. There's a few things that we want to make a little bit better, but we got the fridge, stainless steel sink, stainless steel faucet, cabinet. As you can hear, this stuff is solid stainless steel, guys. I mean, it's heavy-duty stuff. So again, you asked for it. We're bringing it to you. Keep the comments coming, guys. What else would you guys like? I mean, already in my eyes, we got to get a corner piece in there, but your comments is what drives us to our what's on our next list. And as you guys know, when you comment, we listen and we try to get to those things to you as quickly as possible. But as you can see, we got samples here and prototypes, but they need to be tweaked. We need to get them right before we launch them to you guys. But we're excited. This thing already, the first sample looks amazing, and it's coming soon, guys. So thanks again for watching, and comment, guys. Let us know what you like, what you don't like, and we'll get you guys going, man. So thanks again. Have a great week, and talk to you soon.